Yes?
Bakit? Asus.
Mamang. I want more milk. I want more milk.
Pitin nga siya.
Oh. Ayusin mo, baka nahirapan siya.
Hindi. Sakto lang yung pagdas ko.
Hello, Nathan. How are you? How are you?
May sinabi siya.
How are you? How are you?
Thank you. Sabi niya.
Are you good? Have enough sleep? Huh? You have enough sleep? Huh? You've been sleeping all day, baby. Huh? You know that? You've been sleeping all day. Oh, how are you? How are you?
More milk? More milk?
You want more milk? You want more milk?
I think so.
Baby? Nathan.
Expect niya lilipat ko siya eh.
You want the other side, huh? You want the other side? There's no more milk? No more milk. No more mommy. No more milk, mommy.
More milk. I know there's other inside.
No.